Is BlockDAG really going to be the next Solana, or is it just another short-term hype that will fade away in a few days? Have you noticed how its volume has been surging over the last 24 hours and how big players are accumulating their positions during this dip? If you're wondering whether this is the right time to enter or if a massive market crash is on the horizon, then this video is for you. Today we'll dive deep into the live charts, analyze every technical indicator, and tell you exactly what the next level might be for BDAG in the next 24 to 48 hours. Friends, first of all, if we look at the current price action, BDAG is struggling significantly around the $0.1044 level. If you look at the chart on the screen, the 3.26% decline over the last 24 hours is not just a random correction. This is the exact level where institutional buyers are becoming active. When we consider the $1.24 billion market cap and contrast it with the $9.17 million 24-hour trading volume, one thing becomes clear: there is no shortage of liquidity in the market. This volume is 4.43% higher than yesterday, which shows that traders are still highly interested in this project. Now, let's dig into the technical indicators because trading without them is nothing but gambling. When we look at the RSI, Relative Strength Index, on the 4-hour time frame, it is sitting at 50.85. This number is neutral, meaning there is an atmosphere of indecision in the market. Neither the bulls are in full force, nor have the bears gained complete control. However, this is precisely the point where the biggest moves are determined. If we look at the MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence, the histogram is slightly below the zero line, but the gap between the signal line and the MACD line has narrowed significantly compared to earlier. This is forming a classic bullish divergence setup. If the price breaks above the $0.11 resistance level from here, we could see a very fast rally. Regarding moving averages, the EMA 10 and EMA 20 are quite close to the price, but the EMA 50, which is at $0.095, is acting as a safety net for us. As long as the price stays above this $0.095 level, our overall trend will remain bullish. If we talk about Fibonacci levels, the 0.618 golden pocket is forming around the $0.098 area. For those looking for an entry, this $0.098 to $0.10 zone could be the best accumulation area. Now, let's talk about some updates from the last 24 hours that you need to know. The biggest news circulating in the market is about the latest updates to BlockDAG's testnet and the security audit reports released by the developers. Furthermore, there is strong chatter in the community that negotiations for listings on a couple of additional Tier 2 exchanges are in the final stages. This news could prove to be a major catalyst for the price. Whenever a new project secures a spot in the top 100 so quickly, volatility is bound to be high. So, what should you do now? If you are a short-term trader, you should wait for the $0.11 breakout. If the price gets rejected there, the $0.10 level should be your target to take profit. However, if you are a long-term holder, you don't need to worry about this minor volatility. The technology BlockDAG is using, specifically the DAG, Directed Acyclic Graph, sets it apart from other projects in terms of scalability. Always remember, nothing in the crypto market is 100% certain. The higher the profit potential, the higher the risk. Therefore, always use a stop loss. Disclaimer: this video is made for educational and informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research before investing in the crypto market, as the profit or loss of your money is solely your responsibility. If you enjoyed today's analysis and want me to bring you in-depth updates like this every day, subscribe to the channel right now and press the bell icon so you don't miss any updates. Share this video with your friends who have invested or are thinking of investing in BDAG. What do you think? Will BlockDAG cross the $0.20 level by next month? Leave your opinion in the comment box below. See you in the next analysis. Until then, take care and maintain discipline in your trading.